You've got to try this to save time folding laundry. This is how I did it. Lay the shirt on a flat surface, find the midpoint on the shoulder width, and draw an imaginary line. Next, find a midpoint on the length and draw another imaginary line over the breadth. Now you have points 1, 2, and 3. Pinch the fabric at point 2 with your right hand, point 1 with your left, and connect points 1 and 3. Then pull out point 2 with your right hand and lift the fabric and fold onto a surface.